You visit a website. A Cloudflare CAPTCHA appears. Verify you are human, it says. You've seen this 100 times before. You click. Nothing unusual. Until your clipboard fills with strange code. You're told to run a simple command. And just like that, your system is compromised. Your passwords, your crypto wallets, your browser data, gone. This is not your average phishing scam. It's a sophisticated, multi-layered malware attack that's spreading like wildfire across gaming sites, torrent hubs, and even Google search results. Cybercriminals are now using fake Cloudflare turnstile pages, designed to look exactly like the real thing, to lure victims into executing clipboard-based malware payloads. No downloads. No pop-ups. Just one click and one paste, and you've done the hacker's job for them. This technique is called ClickFix. And it's not just clever. It's terrifyingly effective. In today's video, we're diving deep into how the Cloudflare CAPTCHA virus works, why it's so dangerous, who's behind it, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself. Don't trust your browser. Don't trust your instincts. And whatever you do, don't run that code. Let's break it down. What is the Cloudflare CAPTCHA virus? This is a malware scam disguised as a fake Cloudflare CAPTCHA. It tricks users into thinking they're verifying they're human, but it's actually part of a phishing and malware installation campaign known as ClickFix or ClearFake. How it works. You visit a site that shows a fake Cloudflare CAPTCHA page. It copies a command to your clipboard, usually PowerShell or mshta.exe. It tells you to press Windows plus R. Paste the command. Hit Enter. Doing this executes malware, infecting your system. Know the scam. Understanding is your first defense. Cloudflare CAPTCHAs, now called Turnstile, never ask you to copy or run commands. If you see a Verify You're Human page that asks you to press Win plus R, paste clipboard code, hit Enter, it's 100% fake and malicious. 2. Never run unknown commands. If a site tells you to paste something into the Run dialog, Terminal, or PowerShell, don't do it. These scams use your clipboard to sneak in malware like mshta.exe, PowerShell, or curl. 3. Use browser protection tools. Install uBlock Origin, blocks fake scripts and malicious ads. Use NoScript, advanced users, blocks JavaScript on unknown sites. Enable HTTPS-only mode in your browser. Avoid clicking on suspicious links in YouTube video descriptions, torrents, game mod sites, free download portals. Watch for red flags. CAPTCHA screens that don't actually verify anything. CAPTCHA pages that look too perfect or load independently of the main site. Suspicious domains like cloudflarecheck.top, captchaverify.site, random.xyz.click.cfd extensions. Use security software. Use trusted anti-malware like Malwarebytes, Emsisoft, Windows Defender. Enable tamper protection. Enable reputation-based protection and exploit protection in Windows security settings. Have a recovery plan. Keep offline backups or system images. Learn how to reset Windows safely if infected. Consider using virtual machines, VMs, or sandboxing for risky browsing. Use Smart Screen and Defender settings. Turn on Smart Screen for apps and browser. Reputation-based protection. Exploit protection. Enable controlled folder access in Windows security, ransomware protection. Real-time monitoring. Watch for clipboard hijacking. Clipboard manager tools like Ditto or CopyQ let you monitor suspicious entries. If your clipboard suddenly contains PowerShell, curl, or .exe links, you've likely hit a trap. Use sysinternals tools, free from Microsoft. Process Explorer, spot suspicious background processes. Autoruns, detect malware that runs on startup. TCP View, monitor strange outbound connections. How real Cloudflare pages look. Turnstile and CAPTCHA pages do not ask you to run anything. They are embedded inline. Don't instruct you to do anything manually. Use the cloudflare.com domain, check the full URL. What fake pages do. Load a full-screen CAPTCHA from a shady domain. Copy a payload into your clipboard. Give step-by-step run instructions, social engineering. Often hosted on .pages.dev, .click, .zip domains, abused by attackers. Advice to stay safe from the Cloudflare CAPTCHA virus malware. Never run code from a website. If any site tells you to press Win+R, paste a command, and hit Enter, that's an immediate red flag. Close the page. Check your clipboard. If you visit a sketchy site and suddenly your clipboard has a weird command or PowerShell script in it, don't paste or run it. Clear it immediately. Inspect the CAPTCHA. Cloudflare's real CAPTCHA, turnstile, doesn't give instructions or run commands. If you see step-by-step instructions, it's fake. Use browser security tools. Install extensions like uBlock Origin, Privacy Badger, or NoScript to block suspicious JavaScript and pop-ups that enable these attacks. Avoid shady websites. Don't click download links from unofficial sources, pirate sites, or unknown Telegram/Discord messages. Many infections start this way. Secure your OS. Disable tools like mshta.exe and restrict PowerShell for standard users. Malware often uses these to install payloads silently. Install and update antivirus software. Use reliable software like Malwarebytes, ESET, or Windows Defender with all features turned on, including real-time scanning. Use a password manager plus 2FA. If malware steals your credentials, two-factor authentication gives you a second layer of defense. Always use it for your email, banking, and crypto. Educate friends and family. Many victims are tricked because they weren't aware. Share knowledge. It's the best defense against social engineering. Alright, if you've made it this far, you now know exactly how one of the most deceptive and dangerous malware campaigns today actually works. The fake Cloudflare CAPTCHA, the clipboard payload, the command prompt trap. It's a psychological hack more than a technical one, because the code doesn't run itself. You do. And that's what makes this so terrifying, but also empowering. Because once you know how the trick works, you stop falling for it. Remember, true cybersecurity isn't just about installing an antivirus or setting up a VPN. It's about changing the way you think. Every time you click without thinking, every time you run a command you don't understand, you're taking a risk someone else is counting on. But now, you've seen behind the curtain. You know what this attack looks like. You know what it sounds like. And most importantly, you know what to do to stop it. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more deep dives on real-world cyber threats, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Your gamer friend, your coworker, or your little cousin who loves downloading stuff from sketchy sites. Stay smart, stay skeptical, and stay safe online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.